channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a file does not have an application associated with it for performing this action. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator, open it, and after that type a command is sfc /scan now and press enter. It takes up a few minutes to complete this process. हेलो, हाँ जी, नहीं वो सारा नहीं है। हाँ जी, जी भाई, मैं चैनल बस कोई लगे रहीदा काम काज नहीं है। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਜ਼ਰਈ ਕਰਾਈ ਹੈ। अच्छा DISM /online /cleanup -image check health. After completing that, type a command is DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / scan health. After completing that, type a DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser and go to your Google search engine. And after that, type a download Windows 10. Click on the first link. Click on download now. Downloading will be started. Click accept to continue. Upgrade this PC now and click on next to continue. When you click on next to continue, it's the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete this process. And after completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixing. And please subscribe my YouTube channel.